Jio SIM International Roaming Activation. How to use Jio SIM in UK. To use your Jio SIM in the UK, you must first activate an international roaming pack through the MyJio app before you travel or by contacting Jio customer care. Now, if you're a postpaid user, you can open up the MyJio application and make sure to log into your MyJio app using your mobile number. From there, you can find the option for international roaming within the app and enable the service and choose a plan that suits your needs. For prepaid users, open the app and go to the Profile section, look for an option to activate the international roaming and submit a service request. After that, it should be activated within a few minutes. The other alternative is to simply call the customer care. So just call the customer care of MyJio and just request the activation of Pay As You Go or Pay Go international roaming on your line, and ensure that you have got sufficient talk time on your line for the Pay As You Go rates to apply, as the standard rates are charged for usage without an active pack. Now, as for your SIM card, you also want to make sure to enable data roaming within your settings based on the phone you're using. So you want to just open the settings application depending on your phone, go to your mobile network settings and turn on something like data roaming or O roaming. It says purchase an international data package to access the internet without a SIM card. You can just turn this on and make sure to enable it to phone services over there and make sure that you have enabled the permission. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.